Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick makeup look, and this look that you guys see right here is my everyday makeup look. Completely plain, simple and glowy, you know, show you are put together but you're not, you know, glamour up. So this is definitely a look that I go to every day, and today we're going to be feature some of Mercier product, and this is super cute. If you guys know who Olivia Cope is, she is a gorgeous beauty queen who is fabulous, and we are always, you know, curious for know what's in the celebrity makeup bags. Well, here we got this scoop from Olivia Cope, and here is some of Mercier favorite products for Olivia Cope this summer, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys each one of them, and we're going to be trying on camera on this look. So super quick. And the first product here that we're going to be trying is this Pure Canvas Illuminating Silicone Free primer, which is fabulous if you're looking for like a glowy skin. This is your go-to product, and this you can use on your foundation, mix with your foundation, or just a little dab here and there where you want it to glow a little bit, or you can just use alone on your skin. It's fabulous. So this is the first product we're gonna try today. And then we have here this fabulous tinted moisturizer, Unnatural Perfecto. This one is SPF 30. I love a good tinted moisturizer. You guys know I told you guys long time here, special for the summertime or spring, that, you know, it's a little hot, and if you want to go out and just be put together but you don't want to like the heavy feeling of foundation, or if you're somebody, just a lot of people that don't enjoy the look of foundation skin, so they prefer tinted moisturizer. It's almost like a sunscreen with some tint in, that's just gonna even up your skin tone while giving you the protection that you need. So this is fabulous, and it's one thing that's always on my makeup vanity. It is a good tinted moisturizer. In this one, you guys want to see how beautiful, how gorgeous looks on skin. Alright, and the next product we're gonna try here is this Highlight One Matte Radiant Baked Powder, and I love this because it's just so amazing. I give you like a satin kind of finish. If you're somebody who doesn't like, you know, like a very strong highlighter, this give you that beautiful glow, and it's still, you know, toned down, very velvety, very silky, smooth, delicate. It's so beautiful. It's definitely one of my favorite too. And the next thing is the beloved Caviar Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. This mascara is a staple on my makeup bag because it is one of the best mascara out there, so it's not surprising me that the beauty queen loves. Alright, and last but not least on this, and look at this cute little bag. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. And so you have the zipper here. I'll show you guys the zipper here, and you have here the zipper actually you can unbutton. So it's such a cute little bag, and this you can use this literally like your everyday makeup bag, because it's a nice size. It's not so big, but it's not so small. It fits a lot of stuff here. All the stuff I showed you guys was in here, and I'm gonna show you guys here my everyday makeup bag. So they are almost the same size, just a different shape, but I love this so much. Since I already have a makeup bag, I actually have two of them. I cannot carry I can carry my stuff in one. I know I care more than I need, and I don't care. In case I need, it's going to be there, right? Exactly. So now normally I have one with like all my stuff, and the second one I have some little end piece that doesn't fit on my makeup bag, or some of my brushes too. Yes, I carry my brushes around. I know I'm a little extra, but this one I love so much. It's so cute that I'm thinking about maybe use as a wallet. Yeah, it's cute. You can just throw, you know, cash, ID, keys in here, and throw in your purse. So when you're looking for them, you're gonna be looking everywhere. I'm just gonna find them because it's super pretty. Alright, and the last but not least two products here was the two eyeshadow that we're using today. One of them is the Unnatural Caviar stick, I call them, and here it is. It's just one natural kind of matte shade, the little ball here. It's just fabulous for every day. This one I think I have on my makeup bag. It's something that I use every day. Start by priming our skin, so we can go from here. So the only thing that I have on my skin today is my brow is done, and that's it, y'all, and a little bit of moisturizer. That is the primer. If I'm looking down, I'm sorry, I'm looking in my mirror, so I don't need to be rude or nothing. So you're just going to need this amount here, should be enough. And my skin is a little red because a lot of time when I sit in front of the mirror for my makeup, I just start picking on my skin. Bad habit. Next thing on here is this Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Natural Skin Perfecto. This one is broad spectrum SPF 30, which is great, and you guys know that I love a good tinted moisturizer. They just, you know, when you're looking for a more natural look, they're definitely the way to go. So let's see, put a little bit more here on the back of my hand so we can work this in. And these have a very light coverage, like a flawless finish. If you want a little bit more coverage, I would definitely recommend you to layer a little bit or add a little bit of a concealer or a powder foundation, something like that. I like to go down to my neck and just blend everything down so we look in one shade. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer from Mercier. And I'm just gonna, I have a couple of little spots that I need to take care of, and I'm also gonna prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow. You guys can see I have a beautiful but sheer coverage. So I'm just gonna add something on my lips because it's really bothering me. And for lips, I'm gonna add this Mercier in shade Mauve. So pretty. Alright, so now that our skin is radiant with this amazing tinted moisturizer, fabulous. So now I'm just gonna set my under eye and my eyelids with this Mercier Secret Brightening Under Eye Powder. I really like to saturate my brush and then just tap out the excess of, but it's still leaving the powder trapped inside the brush. Eyeshadow. And that's it. Under eyes is set. We have here this amazing powder. This is one of my favorite powder. Why? Because the texture is so fine and it's so flowerless. It's so beautiful. It's really delicate. You see that sheen? So I'm going to use the same blush that I used for the under eye, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of this powder. Very beautiful setting finish. That's why I'm putting like everywhere, because I love these powders so much. It just gives you such a beautiful finish. It's like really make like you glowing and look amazing, but without give you like the feeling that's having like, you know, that strong highlighter on. So that's one thing that I love about this powder. And the next thing is we're going to this is Unnatural Caviar Unnatural Caviar Stick Eye Color. It's a beautiful natural color, like very beautiful, almost look like a nude shade, and that I'm going to use today. So let's just open another shade, and the second shade here is Copper. I also love this shade, how beautiful it is. So I'm just going to add Copper under here so you guys can see. Very beautiful. So let's add a little bit of this natural color. Okay. Very gorgeous natural shade. I love this kind of shade. This is like something that I use every day. Alright, so now we're gonna try this Copper because it's stunning shade, and we have it. So now we're just gonna blend the edges a little bit. Beautiful bright eyes, just like that. It's just two of them, such a stunning shades. Part is mascara. Okay, so let's open up those eyes. And for blush, I'm gonna add my favorite Mercier blush. This is in the shade Peach. It's just such a delicate shade, so beautiful. All done. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna link the link for the products that we got here on this Olivia Cope bag. So if you guys like to try any of them, and they are fabulous. So I see you guys next video. And if you're new here, please subscribe, join the family, don't go, stay, and you're a return subscriber. Thank you so much for coming back and supporting. I love you. See you next video. Bye.